All right, let's see what's going on with this thing. So you just unscrew this right here off the top of that carburetor here. Okay, it's one of those Chinese youth bikes. Let's get a couple of those. Get a couple of those 10mm bolts off. And let's clean the carburetor. Now, I've already put on a new wiring harness here from Amazon. Here's the box over here. So basically, if you don't have the lights, you just don't use those two right there. Plug and play, really. Comes with the stator, everything. Get it from Amazon. Just type in on Amazon Tao Tao wiring harness for ATV, youth ATV. So let's get this carburetor off of here, and I'll bring you back once I put it over here in my vibrasonic here. Do the old musty one trick to it. You get this from Walmart.com. It's really good. Does these little guys really well. You use Simple Green. You fill it to about there with Simple Green, and then the rest up to here with water. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I get done cleaning it. Okay, now we're back. We're going to be taking this bad boy apart here. Let's see. There we are. Let's see if I can get you a little bit better. I don't have a tripod yet. I don't have enough subscribers, so be sure to like and subscribe. Alright. Let me get a Phillips here. Shop is a mess, but just some 2 Phillips screws here for the bowl. We're gonna see how bad this thing is. I picked this thing up for $100 of a guy on Marketplace. So he said there was no spark, so I just went on that Amazon. Like my dad says, the Amazon. I guess it's a person. But yeah, they said I had no spark. I did a little bit of probing here and there on there, and I figured it out that it didn't have a spark because of the, oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot of not giving a heck, you know. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of sitting there. Well, it's got compression because when I put the carb cleaner spray in it, it stayed running. So you know it's starving for fuel. That's a dead giveaway right there. That's a dead giveaway. So just hold this little nut on the bottom while you're screwing this. The other one didn't need that, but let's see here. All right, I'll bring you back. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a whole lot of old fuel just broke down into nothing. That's just not good. But this bad boy over here is going to take it and make it look brand new. Let me get you guys set up in a different angle. Alright, so let's see if we can get this emulsion tube out of here. Oh yeah. There we are. That's good because we want to get all that old nasty stuff out of there. We don't want any of this that can clog up our jets again. There we go. Who's your daddy there? Alright, let's see here. Let's get all this in there. Let's take this. Oh yeah, that float's not even. Okay. Sometimes you gotta get a little creative getting these things out. Sometimes take a little tip like that, focus. Take a little tip like that there and stick it right inside that hole there. Kind of go back and forth with it. Hit it. They do get stuck in there. Don't think they don't. Usually a one way. One way is it's on itself and the other way it's not. We might have to do this twice. Sometimes you don't want to try to tap on it too hard because it's just that pot metal stuff. And it gets old, disintegrates practically. Taking the pin out of the float because we got to get in there to the float there. So work it back and forth until she comes out. Or if she don't want to come out, let's get a little carburetor cleaner. Try to see if she'll come out like that, because you don't want to try to force it. You want to try to finesse it out. Like I said, they break easily with this there. They break easy. You don't want to do that, then you're done. You got to go to website or so or something and get a new one there. Okay, let's see here. This thing is giving you heck here. A bunch of crap. Alright, I'm gonna bring you back when I get it up. Alright, so I had to tap on it on one side. So the side that's the open side is the side with the choke on it, the choke lever on these little Chinese jobbies. Now, here is the little pin. It's very important that you put it exactly the way that it went back out so it can stay in there. See, this thing is just stuck. See, look, the pin is out, but the needle will not come out. So don't try to force it out or you rip it. Just got to give it a little bit of love here and there. You know. Just don't try to force it or anything like that, because you mess up the spring, you mess up, you know, you just, it's not worth it. You can even put it in there inside the vibrasonic and you can wait till it works its way out itself with the heat and the vibration. I think that's what we're going to do here, because this is not going to be pleasant if we're ripping it out of there, and then we're going to have to try to source another needle and seat, which we don't want to do. So here we go. Put the whole thing in there. Screw it. Just put the whole thing in there, eh? Alright, get a little bit of that chunk out of there. You don't want any of that getting into other portions. Oh, and also, you take some of this mechanics wire here, and you stick it down in there, and you can pretty much get to all the little orifices in there. This mechanics wire is pretty thin. You can get in all these little parts there. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the vibrasonic real quick. See? Let me show you here. There we are. See there? All the little bits in there. Let's put it right in there. Let me go get some water. Alright, so we're going to put this in the vibrasonic here. See, as you can see, it's already reacting with the simple green and water. It's really good stuff. But like I said, just a little bit of simple green, just barely lining the bottom of your vibrasonic here, with the rest water up to this point here. Now, let's see. Oh yeah. I'll bring you back once she's all clean. Well, as you can see, the carburetor is all cleaned and installed. She starts right up. My battery died with the installation of it, but it's you know, basically, you know, just these two 10mm bolts, and then you just put that thing right there. You screw that one back on. Now, when you go to put that in, there's a little groove in that that plunger that goes down in there. So make sure that you turn it, you know, the correct way that it came out. Well, basically, if you don't remember the way that it came out, you can turn it, and then it'd fall into the groove, but you have to turn it very slowly. You turn it up on this portion here. This portion right here, it unscrews, but the portion that is inside here, you turn it. It's a little black cylinder. It'll fall right back in there. So yeah, I'll be putting some more videos out on this little Chinese jobby here. I mean, they're quick. They get down the road. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me and learning how to clean these little carburetors on these things. They're a lot of fun. I got another one over here. I'm going to be putting another video out. It's a basket case. It's in bad shape. So I also picked up this one from a fella off of Marketplace. Yeah, but that's another video. Appreciate you. Bye-bye now.